everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm gonna give this thing a try. This is the Aircup. So what this is one of those, like, it's by Recoverfun, and it's one of those little vacuum kind of things, like a massaging thing that you've been to. If you've seen cupping and stuff like that, a lot of times they'll have the little manual pumps where they pump it out. This one here, you do it by yourself, I guess. I don't know how I'll do it myself on my back. We'll try. So let's check this thing out, see how it is. It's wrapped with that old school, really crunchy plastic. Okay. There it is, and how do we open the box? Slides on down here. Here's what the box looks like, so you can see if you need to see any information about it. Looks like it connects up to an app if you want to connect it to your phone as well. My phone is what I'm using to record this, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to test that part of it, but we will talk about it anyway. So here we go. This is the manual for it. And you can see here are the little QR codes that you scan. So if you actually want to even look at it before you get it, you can probably scan it right from the video or take a screenshot of it or whatever you need to do and install the app. So that'll give you the one-up on it. Oh, it's a very colorful manual. Usually these ones are just not much, but there we go. Let's see. So it kind of gives me all the information and the modes and stuff like that. It's got suction mode indicators and stuff like that. Oh, here, I'm opening it without telling you, so showing you. So this is the plastic it comes in. This is the cupping device with a little, I guess, a keychain so you can hang it up. We've got, let's see what this is. These are little foam ball thing. I guess these are probably to line it up. This is, oh, I guess this is gonna be the string. I don't know, let's open it and see. Let's check it out. But this is a little device. Does it connect up to this? So it can connect up to this. There, now it's all connected. Now I can wear it around my neck and it's not gonna fall off. Excellent. And then here we have the charger for it, and it looks like it is standard USB-C, USB to USB-C to charge it. So that's kind of cool. And then you can kind of see how it is here. I guess you kind of rotate this off to take it off, and that's what's that little, these little pieces here. It comes with some extras, I guess, of the little foam thing in case it gets goop in it or whatever from pumping. So let's see how it works here. Let's take off the plastic. And I don't know if it's got any battery in it. It does. So when I turn it on, that's what it does. And it's got a little light going. And is it pumping? Muscle tension. Oh, I feel it sucking my hand. You can kind of see it right there. It's sucking my hand in. Ooh, so it definitely sucks. Oh, so it kind of does a little massaging thing. So let's try this thing here. Let's try it. Take it off. That's a little circle there. So I'm gonna try it on my back here and we're gonna see how it goes. So there, it's stuck to my back now and it's sucking in my back. Suction mode indicator, suction control mode. So I can change all the different lights, I can change the power and all that stuff on it. So that's pretty cool. It actually feels kind of nice. It's like getting a massage, I guess. So that's pretty cool. So it gives you different scraping massage, gosha, red light therapy. Look at all these different things it can do. Ooh, man, I feel it back there. I'm gonna have to stop this thing here for a second, or else I won't be able to talk. Let's see. Ooh, that sucked it up good. Probably left a big old mark. I can feel it. But it definitely works and it's cool. It's the Recoverfun Aircup. So I wonder if this is gonna help like relieve some stress and stuff for me. I'm gonna try it on the other side too. It actually felt pretty good. Feels really nice. I don't know exactly what the cupping does, but it seems to work for me. So definitely pick up one of these things. It's the Recoverfun Aircup. Give it a try. It wasn't very expensive or anything like that, so I figured I'd pick it up and give it a shot. Woo, yeah. So definitely does the suction and stuff, so that's cool. And I'm guessing with the different settings on here and stuff like that, you can change the strength and the colors and all that stuff. And you can charge it. I didn't even charge it yet, so it might even need to be charged, who knows. But it's pretty cool. I like it. So this is the Recoverfun. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.